Coming up on German recipes in the next episode is a very classical Sunday lunchtime thing. It's called roulades and it's a sensation. Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen here in Munich, Germany. Today I'm preparing a real classic. It is, in my mind, something that every German mother does at lunchtime on Sundays. It's called roulades. It's meat filled with gherkins and onions in a very nice heavy brown sauce. And that is all we need for that. We need gherkins, we need the roulades, we need bacon, mustard, onions, and this is butter lard. It's cleared butter, it's for pan frying. Okay, everything is here, let's get started. First of all, I take one of these pieces of beef. It has been prepared by my butcher because it's a slice out of the, I think it's called haunch. It's the upper leg part, and it's cut out there, and then you have to flatten it till it's really thin, and that is what my butcher has done for me. I take some mustard and brush it on the inside of the meat. I do it generously because I like the taste of mustard and it's gonna be good then. All right. Prepare the gherkins. This is enough. Oh, I forgot something. Oh, I was wrong. I forgot something. First of all, we have to place the bacon on the roulade. Ha! That's the way it goes. Now the gherkins. And an onion. Also thin slices. Put them inside. It's a very traditional thing in Germany. Honestly, I'm not that traditional, and I'm not really familiar to this roulades recipe, but as I really like to eat it, I wanted to prepare it together with you. And like it is with every tradition, you have 1,000 different ways how to fill a roulade, and this is quite classic with gherkin. There are many Germans of my age who would tell the same story as I do, because my mother, she always cooked roulades on Sundays, never during the week. It's a typical Sunday lunchtime thing. Okay, next thing is we roll this up. We have to be really careful because we don't want everything to fall out again. That's why I leave some space here at the sides, and while I leave some space here, I can easily roll it up. Alright, this looks great, yes! Okay, and this is the moment I need the toothpicks, because I want to fix this. You should, of course, prepare one roulade for every person sitting at the table, and as it is only my friend and cameraman Ollie and me, I'm just preparing 2 roulades. It's got to be fixed. Okay, and this goes into the pan and gets pan fried. While the pan is getting hot, I'm preparing the vegetables for the sauce later. I just roughly cut it. That's enough. This has got to be cut as well. Split in half. Okay, take my roulades and pan fry them. We can put the roulades inside. Just pan fry it for a while from every side till it gets brown on the outside. The roulade has to look a bit dry outside. It has to be dark because you will pour the sauce on top. Yeah, it's almost a little bit crispy outside, and it's very juicy and tender inside. I can season it with salt and pepper, of course. If you want it to have a good taste. Pan fried from every side. So now the roulade is spicy from the inside because of the bacon and the mustard. And it's going to be spicy from the outside as well because I put salt and pepper on it. And as it is pan fried from every side, I can start preparing the sauce. Oh, another minute. Not done yet. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, I put this aside for a while and now I pan fry my vegetables. Just shortly. Okay, now I put the tomato paste, broth and the red wine into it. It's going to have a real dark color later on, and that fits perfectly to the roulades. Oh, great. This is good now, but I want to have a lot of liquid because it goes in the oven for 2 to 3 hours together with the meat, so I need some more water. Some thyme leaves. Now all this goes into the preheated oven. It has 180 degrees Celsius. And it's going to stay there for at least 2 hours, maybe even a bit longer. Okay, let's have a look. That looks beautiful. Oh, wow. Ta-ta-da-da! Here are the roulades. Die sind großartig. They're great. Yeah. Burned, it's brown, and it's well done. It's almost a little bit crispy outside, and it's very juicy and tender inside. And as a result of the long time in the oven, you don't really need a knife when you're eating a roulade. It's so soft and you can tear it with the fork. It's wonderful. So what I have to do now is getting rid of the vegetables and just taking the liquid and making a sauce out of it. I want to thicken the sauce later on, and that is why I need the cornstarch. I just take a little liquid first and put a little cornstarch into that, and there I can solve it. If you would put the cornstarch directly into the hot sauce, you would get lumps, and so you have always got to be careful when you're working with cornstarch. That looks good. That's how I want to have it. Okay, it's ready to serve. Roulades is so traditional that you have also very traditional side dishes. And mostly you eat it, or if you eat it the very traditional way, you have it with potatoes and with red cabbage. I have it that way too. And let's open this. Oh, you see how tender this is? Oh, it's a dream. Wow. Yummy. And we have some wonderful brown sauce with it. Okay, that's the roulades, German tradition on a plate. If you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel and tell your friends about it. Okay? Enjoy your meal. See you soon.